What's up, you craft kids out there?
Today we are going to be making a Peep Easter egg pop-up surprise.
That's right. It's going to be awesome fun. So if you want to join along, fold with us, draw with us, color with us. It can be an awesome Easter decoration. Ready, kiddo?
Yep. 1,
2, 3. We are going to do a little bit of an Easter surprise, right?
Yep.
So if we're doing a folding surprise, the first move we have to make is folding our paper in half.
Yep.
Like a hamburger. Okay, and then the second step, you face it so your fold is on the bottom and the open part is at the top. You pull one layer of paper down, match it with the bottom, and you just go for it. Okay, then what you have is there's your folding surprise. However, what we like to do is we like to also put in a bottom fold. So we have a reference point of how low we can draw when we're working on the inside. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold the paper over, and we're gonna repeat the process. So line this up at the bottom, best you can, make a nice crease. What you're gonna end up with is something that's folded up like this, and it unfolds like this.
It's like a W or an M.
That's right. Good call, Maddie. So now, what we're gonna do in order to get started drawing, we're going to hold it as such. So the one that has a single layer is gonna be down at the bottom, and then your folded layers are gonna be at the top. So it's like that. Okay, you wanna keep that right on top of your back paper?
Yeah, back paper.
And that's when we're gonna start. All right, Mads. So we now just have to draw an Easter egg shape. We're gonna do our best egg shape, pretty much an oval, right here on the page. Start up top, come all the way down to the bottom, try to fill up as much of that page as we can. Good job. So Maddie and I both did the same thing. When you swoop down here and you start to come back up, you start to say to yourself, well, it's gonna be hard to get over that bump, so I'm gonna stop and pull down.
Yeah.
Because that makes a lot more sense. All right, cool. I think we did a good job on our eggs. Now we have to decorate. All right? And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna decorate with a jagged line, which is gonna look like a decoration when our thing is closed. But when we open it, it's gonna serve as it's gonna look like the egg is broken.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna start our line here, right where it intersects, or right where the fold line comes down. And we're gonna end our line there. But in between, we're gonna go up and down with these V's, okay? So it's gonna look something like this. Just bear in mind that you have to end right at that point. And the cracks don't need to be even either.
Because I mean, like, think of when you crack an egg. Is it perfect?
It's not. In fact, do our drawings need to be perfect at all?
No.
Nope. Part of the fun is not worrying about that.
Yeah,
and just
having them look unique.
That's right, unique. Like Maddie's egg and my egg right now don't look the same, but they're gonna come out both awesome. So next we're gonna do is we're gonna decorate, and we're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna do some circles here, circles that eventually we will color in some sort of Eastery color. Okay, and then I want to keep mine symmetrical. Maddie, you might want to do the same. So we're gonna do circles above the line as well. Okay, and then we're gonna throw in a wavy line here. And we're gonna double that line. Nice job. And then down here, we'll put just a nice big curved line, which will also double up. This gives us lots of different spaces to do different colors. All right, and we're gonna do, like I said before, we're gonna make it symmetrical. So wavy line up here. Nice, and then a little curved line up at the top. Good job. Now, this was fun, but this is where it really gets fun. So we open these up. Okay, we open these up. And I did worry about this a little bit. I was gonna have a few of my Sharpie lines come through, and Maddie did too, but we're not gonna worry about that. We're just gonna keep going.
Yeah.
Okay, so one of the first things we want to do is we want to complete the cracked look. So here we'll have to come down and connect with a V, and we'll just do that right across the page. Connect to these little crack marks.
And you can do them at the bottom too.
Correct. So we'll do it now. We'll go ahead and down to the bottom and we'll do it. All right, so now inside we're also going to do, mine looks kind of funny here too because I didn't really, it kind of got kind of short, but like it's a break. So it's like, you know. So we're gonna draw a peep inside of here.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna first make a belly line. So it's a little curved line to represent the peep's belly. Yeah, you did better than me because I didn't curve mine in enough. But that's okay, I'm gonna deal with it. And then on the other side, we can try to mimic that. Now we're gonna do the head. So the head of the bunny, or the peep, be like this. And then we're ready for the ears. And it's just like a big V, like a big bubble letter V. So here we go. One. It's one ear. Comes down. And then on the other side, goes up. And comes down about like that. Okay. All right, I think yours came out really good. Okay, so then the peep gets 3 eyes, or not 3 eyes, but 3 dots.
Yeah.
Two dots to represent the eyes, here and here, and then a dot for the nose. Okay, so now with some thickening and coloring, we can work on finishing these guys up. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. One, two, three. Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
This is our egg. This is our surprise egg with a peep inside.
Yep.
Did you have fun, Maddie?
Yes.
All right, I did too. All right, until next time. Bye!